Look, a simple scenario has happened. Now, whenever we make a paper call, there have been two major changes in the paper call that have been made in Google Ads. The first change is that we have to use only verified accounts. Whatever domain we use, it must be a verified domain by our document. It means that whatever document I've given you should be in your contact info. All right. The second thing that is very important here is that whenever you make a paper call, you should create a proper landing page. Earlier, what we were doing was scraping the landing page. All right. So the current situation is that scraping won't be beneficial now. Previously, we could easily scrape and that would solve our issue. All right. But now that scenario is not working out. So what will we have to do? We will have to create a proper landing page. Either we will have to use a landing page builder or create it in some other way. But we will have to do this properly. Either create it with Elementor or with BG. Use whatever you need to create it. And I will explain everything that needs to be done. It's not necessary for the landing page to be beautiful. It's important for the landing page to have proper information. And I hope you all understand what I'm saying. It's not necessary for the landing page to be beautiful. It's important for the landing page to have proper information. So whatever we will come across in the paper call, look, there's a simple scenario here as to why this is happening. Earlier, when we used to run calls or leads, we used to do something simple. We would just insert the verification URL and create a simple landing page. After the ad optimization, we were generating click to calls there. But in today's date, the simple changes that Google Ads has brought, what Google Ads has changed is that whatever landing page we are creating, if you just insert the verification URL and if your landing page is not proper, then Google is not sending traffic to that landing page. It will not send traffic at all. So how will you do optimization and how will you bring calls? So now what we have to do is whatever landing page we create, besides this, when we create landing pages, we need to insert some code snippets there. What happens with that code snippet is that your landing page will be completely converted into calls. The simple meaning of the landing page being completely converted into calls is that wherever the person clicks on the landing page, a call will automatically be generated there. Okay, so this scenario is happening there. All right, hold on a second. Just hold on for a brief moment, please. Hold on, just a second. Okay, this scenario is happening on our landing page. All right, so we will mainly focus on all these things. 1 second, buddy. Okay, so this scenario is happening here. So whatever landing page we create, I will give you a proper video about what will happen in it. I will upload that video and keep that video to yourself. If my message gets shared, there will be trouble ahead. So what will happen in it? Basically, our entire landing page will be designed in such a way that as soon as any user comes, it will automatically click and the call will be made and it will generate there. So we will work in that manner entirely. But the very first thing we need to do here is to build a proper landing page. We need to create a proper landing page here. All right, if my voice is clear, please raise your hand just to confirm my voice is coming through properly. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's start now. Look, all of you must have a cPanel and you all must have a complete website. Here, one thing that is very necessary is that you should have a website and hosting. Those who don't have hosting need not worry. For the temporary phase, just give me the domain. Host the domain on my website, on my hosting, on my server. I will give you that. I will provide the admin link so you can open your website and make changes to it. Okay, let's get things started. First of all, turn on whatever hosting you have. I have it available right now, so I will turn it on. I am telling you how to start the process. And we will start from zero and understand everything completely. You will come here and click on WordPress. After clicking on WordPress, see, this is like my main domain. I deliberately chose a generic domain. And the reason for choosing this generic domain was that any of my websites will work on it. Any website will work. So now I will use this domain to create a subdomain for flights. All right. So now I will show you how to create that. We will go to our cPanel, whatever it may be. Yours will look exactly the same. It will look exactly the same. Then we will go to the domain section. I am explaining from scratch. All right. Here we will click on create a new domain. Now I want to create it on slide. So I will write slide here. Or I will have a gate connect with the flight. I am doing blog. This was my domain. I am checking once. Get connect blog. Get connect blog. Okay. What do we do here in this way? We will create our subdomain. Oh man. Now we are waiting for the installation to happen here. Now what has happened to ours? Our installation is done. Okay. So we have installed it on the website. Now we will see whether the website is installed or not. It will take some time now. I clicked here. It is not installed yet. Okay. It means it is not live on the server. Basically, it will take a little more time. We will see whatever time it takes. So for the website that is already installed, what we will do is install it accordingly. I just go to WordPress. The website is installed. Like this, website is installed. Opened or opened. This is my installed website. What do I need to do? I need to create any page on this website. All right. Here we will go to the plugins and we will search here for any drag and drop. There are already many videos on YouTube about how to create landing pages. Drag and drop. Now the next thing in this, I will create. So you will find many plugins there. It is already active here. It is active as a page. So let's see by creating in the same, and we will click on the page. Now, what you need to do, I will explain to you carefully. Here I will add additional flights. Earlier it was fine to scrape and create comfortably. Now that thing is not there. I clicked on the page layer. So I have taken it. Yes, indeed, something exactly like this is appearing to the patient, to the patient indeed, as you can see. Now, what I basically need to do, I will show you. Now here, we will go to the new page and we will enter here, searched, it on Google. Now from Google, I will enter flight booking. Here to see which ads are currently running. There are no ads running on this. The senior, basically, we need to find ads. All right. It didn't open in here either. So let's do one thing. Let's go to the new inverter meeting. Let's search here. I also need to show it there from Google. Entering flight booking. This is the task you all need to do as a page. All right. Understand the simple thing. No ads are showing here either. So when no ads are visible, I'm giving you another website. Use search. Enter the country here. United States. Enter the language, English. Simply any device and enter flight here. Searched. Now let me see all those on which ads are running. So if you can't see it from Google, you can do it this way. Click on the three dots here. See if it's giving the option to visit here or not. If it's not giving, what will you have to do? You'll have to do new on it and enter www.com. Here. Let's see which is the easy website to create. This is a bit tricky. Wait a second. There's another way in this. I'll give you that method too. Go to the same path. I have a group tool. Take the group tool. I am showing all three methods. Okay. So you can do it in all three ways. To do this, I have it with me. 1 second.
Let's delve deeper into this process. This is the comprehensive method we employed to open the eSites kiosk Mini Road Senesco, a crucial step in our project. I'll guide you meticulously through each step on how to search up to this point, ensuring clarity and understanding. Our current website, which functions as our primary advertisement platform, will be thoroughly demonstrated. Initially, we navigated to the keyword section, a critical area for our search operations, and conducted a detailed search for flight booking. As we scrolled down, I carefully observed which advertisements are currently active and making an impact. For instance, FlightPlay is operational, Expedia is active, and Mars Booking is also running, all of which are major players in the industry, contributing significantly to the market dynamics. We refer to this as FightHalf.com, a term that encapsulates our strategic approach. We plan to file this website meticulously and design our own site in a similar fashion, ensuring it meets our high standards. Additionally, I am attempting to incorporate that sealing into the current technique, a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. However, this section presents the same issue, yet we are simplifying the process to enhance efficiency. Avoid creating this particular section, as the remainder of the website is straightforward to construct. This is the comprehensive strategy we will employ to develop our website, ensuring it is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, meeting all our objectives and expectations.
I said I need to put a title, so I directly copied from here, but this doesn't work for me, or it's just a way to annoy. I used TOC Big for something else, didn't understand what happened. Let's listen. Download some other plugin. This work is quite useless. The best was to scrape and directly insert. When the page builder of Sysbidec Brazim comes, Elemental button by Fly to Start is installed. So no. Now if you didn't understand the thing, it's simple. Understand, making a landing page again just means that whatever link I give you, I will give to everyone in the link. When you create your landing page, you will put it in there. The only thing will be that when anyone clicks on your ad, whatever ad you are running on Google, it will run responsively. As soon as they click and come to the landing page, they won't be able to leave the landing page until they click and call from that landing page. To elaborate further, when I mention putting a title, it refers to the necessity of having a clear and concise heading that accurately represents the content of the page. Copying directly from another source might seem convenient, but it often leads to issues such as lack of originality or relevance, which can be frustrating. The term cock big is used for a specific purpose, and any deviation from its intended use can cause confusion. Listening and downloading other plugins might seem like a solution, but without proper understanding, it can lead to inefficiency. The process of scraping and directly inserting data is often the most effective method, as it ensures accuracy and saves time. The page builder Sysbidec Brazim, along with the Elemental button by Fly to Start, is designed to streamline the process, but it requires proper installation and understanding. If the concept is still unclear, think of it as creating a landing page that serves as a gateway for all the links you provide. This ensures that when someone clicks on your ad, it leads them to a responsive landing page, keeping them engaged until they take the desired action, such as making a call.
I will provide the link for the call. How to do it, what to do, that won't be possible in this video. So all those things, when I sit with you personally, I will guide you personally and provide a video. Those who manage to do it, that's fine. For those who can't, I will help them personally. So whatever link you have, do that. The link will go to your landing page. From that landing page link, what will happen is that any customer or any user, if they come to your website, they won't call until then, they won't be able to return. What happens with this? Two things will happen with this. What? Single page, single page, single page. So now what will happen with this? Basically, what is the benefit for the user? Meaning, what is the advantage of this? The biggest thing is that as many users as there are on your website, as many clicks as there are, those are the number of calls generated for you. Understand? Now, this could also mean that sometimes it will happen that the user calls and immediately hangs up, so nothing can be done about that. But in most cases, what will happen is that if you reach the user, they will definitely call you. So at a low CPC, we will generate more calls. This is the benefit of this method, but this method has become active now due to the update. All right, because now if you are only using the verification URL, you won't get any traffic. When you don't get any traffic, how will you work on conversions? Got it? No. If you're doing things on the landing page with the Google Ad account, then why are you using the Google Ad account? Nothing against the policy. No, there's nothing. All right, Abel, yes, tell me. Yes, go ahead. Video, in the first class. Yes, this is the first class. All right, let's go. We will proceed with the landing page work. All right, then it got delayed in completing this. Okay. We'll look at it after this. All right. So let's go. Now, all right, we have come here to our website, whatever our website was, we have come to this website. I downloaded Busy. Let's activate it on this. Look, this is all about creation work, so don't make me put too much effort into it. Do as much as you can on your own, because I won't be showing how to make it extensively. You can normally do this by watching on YouTube. All right, what do you need to do? I will make a video of the things with links and provide it to you all. I'm not explaining too much here. Obviously, I've already told you about Spy. We click on Header Wonder Easy here. This is where I know a little about using the page builder. I have even less knowledge about this than you all. The designs are really bad. All right, let's click on Start Building Page. Then we click here, then click on Create a Known. Now here, what I need first is to enter the title. You guys can add the background image. How do you add a background image? Check it out. Here I entered the title, clicked on the plus sign. I dragged and dropped the text here, clicked on whatever text it is, then went here. Now I am changing it from paragraph to heading 2. Here I am entering that title. This is the title. Let's change its color, make it black. And I will center it. All right, I will change its font, showing any font. Black is the most liked. All right, fine, but make sure its basic layout is created and copy it. Here, just copy paste works. Don't think you have to do it from the next website. All right, make it as normally as you can. But what should be the main thing we have? The main thing should be that everything should be available here. All right. That will mostly be the case too. What do you need to do next? Here, you need to add some information generated according to your needs using ChatGPT. Here, I'll input ChatGPT. Please create an overview. Mom's website. It has created the overview for you. All right, the overview has been created. Now what will happen here? First, I will take the introduction part. Copied it, went here, created this section. Created the section. Just clicked. Just give me 1 second, please. I am just showing. He keeps forgetting this repeatedly. Look, buddy, I just put the heading in this here, looking at it. All right, after that, I normally wrote here. That flight booking, website overview. So I got information related to that. So based on this, I will create my website. All right, we need to create a normal website. Now, when I clicked here, this section appeared for me. Now here, I will put its overview, whatever the introduction is. I put the introduction here, copied it. And pasted it. All right, I centered it. Now I need to add one more thing above this. So I need to add one more heading. So here, I picked up the text, placed it, and clicked. Edited it from here. All right, I went to the mouse type and simply wrote introduction here. You can change it according to your preference. It came under introduction. Now I will add something here to make it a bit more attractive. We create columns and rows. You will place one here and then one here. All right, created another column. Created another column. Now, how beautiful you can make it depends on you. Now here, you need to do the entire thing for features. What do we need to do? We need to work on the features. Here, I picked up a heading text and placed it here. Wrote features here.
This, I will also do this with the mouse. Okay, color black. A little spacing, you all can check the spacing. Now I mentioned so many different features in the features section. First of all, the flight search and comparison feature that was mentioned, we will copy it and place it in this section. Then we will mention its second feature. So this was the feature. We will copy this. We will pick it up and place it right here. We will take the third feature and copy it. We will place it here. This is how things are designed and created. It's a relief that I have placed it. Now you will pick up and place all the features like this. After placing the features, you will see something here. If anyone is running a flight booking campaign, what do? They're spying on the website. If it's any website, then this is fine. The review part and all those things will be done. Here, there is something in the manner. There is a refund policy, privacy policy, and all these things. If your About Us is done, then we will have to create something related to that. So what will we do for that? We will go to a free Privacy Us policy generator. You will open many such websites where your privacy policy and everything else is generated. So what do you need to do? You need to generate the privacy policy, refund policy, ticket cancellation, and all these things. This still looks a bit high-end. Let's look at the normal free one. If it's free, then there's no need to pay for it. Okay, like I entered the website here, and I generated it. You will put this on the website where you are creating it. Okay, get connect. Like I'm creating it here. So I will put this comment. I will enter the URL. Here, I am an individual. Flight. The country you select here will be the USA. Enter any interstate. Put Delaware. In the next step, people connect their email address, first name, and phone number. Enter it in the next step via email. Enter any email, just put your email, no issue. Then move on to the next step. We have entered it here. 0518@gmail.com. Move on to the next step. No. Move on to the next step and then enter the email ID here. Click on generate again. Your privacy policy will be generated here. What should I do now? Copy this link and go to where you are creating it. Make another one. Create any column. You can create columns as per your preference. Create 2 or 3 columns and write privacy policy here. That's it, and remove your link from there. The link you have made is awesome, just a bit. Like this, buddy, I'll tell you all about privacy policy, terms and conditions, all these things, contact, who, you have to create all of these. Now here comes the main point. What is the need for the document? Whatever contact link you will use in that contact. Here it is very important. You will open a document, open Google Docs, open any untitled document. Let's open this. 1 second, either cut or add. Whatever document you have, copy the entire document and paste it here, and you don't have to do anything else. I said that whatever document I am using on Notepad, let's assume I have written this on it. All right, opened it. Whatever document you have at this time, I said that this is the type of document I have. I said that I have written this in the document. So you will copy it, the address and everything else correct. And what will you do here? You will paste it. All right, this is very important in the contact section. You have entered it like this. After this, what will you do simply here? You will click on share. And here you will enable anyone with this link and copy it. And whatever website contact you have created here, you will paste that link there. And this is very important. Otherwise, your Google account will be suspended. Whatever information we are using from our document in Google Ads, it is necessary for that information to be used on our website. Otherwise, your account will be suspended. So the landing page needs to be fully created, right? We have to create the landing page in full with the document, privacy policy, terms and conditions, all these things. Later, we will add keywords to the landing page when we start running Google Ads. We will handle the keywords and all those things. I will tell you how to optimize the landing page. First, you will create a basic landing page for the Google Ads. Then, what code needs to be added and what changes need to be made will be covered in the upcoming class. Look, you guys will just create a basic landing page. Just do that much. As for the rest, I will make sure your ad runs. All right? See, all the information we are using in Google Ads, whether it's contact or anything else, they are checking if the same information is on the website or not. If the same information is not on the website, that's why the suspension is happening. That's why all the problems are being created. Do you understand? Okay. Yes, please speak up, Harry. I am not supposed to speak to Harry. About us. Ritesh, please speak up. So after this, tell your people that I will provide the WordPress panel. After this, I have another class immediately. All right? Yes, Deepakji, go ahead.